if the market gets better. And that's the way we're going to round it out, because we're seeing just, markets dictated by the headlines. How do you not get sucked into that?
Well, I think the thesis is know your time horizon and know what your risk is. There are a lot of guys that are making small money, trading intraday, short-term micro scalps. There are guys that are also trying to build a short position, not caring about the swing, saying, I think, Europe's going to fall apart. There's going to be 5 hard breaks. Our economy is horrible. I hate the president, and we're going to 10-20. And they're putting their thought process out there before the trigger. So you have to be ultimately committed to that. And then you have the guys that say, you know what, I'm not looking short term. 10 years from now, S&P is going to be a lot higher. These green stocks are going to be a lot higher. I'm buying tier 1 and I'm staying in the long course. So just figure out which one of the 3 you are. And if you can combine some of those worlds, that's how you make the real money.
But maybe it's not, you don't want to all be in cash, right? Because during the summer it was like, cash is your friend, cash is your friend. Maybe you need to start buying then, like you said.
If you want to have a portfolio long, you now have these 20 stocks that you should have a tier 1 right now in this range between 11 and 1150. I don't think you go to tier 2 because the market hasn't proven yet that it deserves more than a tier 2. And I don't think the market right now gives you clues that it's more than a tier 1 short. So there's a fight right now going on. So you have to see which side of that fight you are on. Right now, I'm just taking trades with high probability until I see more clarity. If I start to see these go-to stocks get better, I'll put on a portfolio and I'll try and stick with it. Because lately, if you stick with it for more than 1 to 3 days, you're pulling your hair out and
you're
in pain.
Absolutely, yeah. Gold market's a perfect example. All right, that's it for us for today. Happy trading, everybody. I'm Alex Steele from The Street.
And I'm Scott Redler from T3. Try and follow us on the virtual trade floor. There's a lot of news out there. Our ears are open. Hopefully, we can help you see things clearly. We saw when the spiders went up $1 yesterday. We're like, what's going on? What's going on? And then obviously 2 minutes later, the headline came out about China buying the Italian bonds or whatnot. And we could save you some of that pain by trying to listen up with, how many eyeballs are better than 2?
I don't know.
We have about 200 of them,
17.
so it's good. We'll watch the recap. See you then.